Well guys, I guess you are ready for this. I mean top 10 anime where popular girl fall in love with an unpopular guy, which is like a little bit long for a title but pretty specific. So I guess you are ready for this. Then without any further ado, let's get right into our video. Then the first one is Orisura. Pardon me if my pronunciation is wrong. So basically it is an harem anime where an absolute school beauty asks our guy out just to become his fake lover because she was kind of bored from all this confession coming from different guys. So she asks our main character to become her fake lover and our guy refused. So she blackmailed him to become one. Then the words of them became a couple spread around the school and our main character childhood friend also heard that rumor, which starts our harem plot for this anime. Then in our next one we got My Love Story, where I will say it is a story about a bad looking guy which has a good heart, found a girlfriend, but it also reminds me that anime can't be real, man. Well, the plot is we have our muscular guy which is ugly according to the story, okay, helps a girl and she falls in love with him. Then in the progress of this story we get some cute movements and developing love from both of them, and that's our entire anime. Then in our next one we got Horimiya, which is like one of my best anime in romance category. Well, the basic plot goes like a gloomy guy, more like a loner, in a school met a girl from his school outside the school, but the girl noticed that his appearance is kind of different. I mean, he's not that simple as he was in school. Then he also helped our girl with his brother. With this all series of events, we got our couple there. In the progress of this story, the girl discovers some secret about him. They basically understand each other, and our gloomy loner guy in school change into a cheerful one with the help of her girl and her friends. So it's kind of a wholesome story and a bit reminder of opposite attract each other. Then in our next one we got Disastrous Life of Sakike, which is not particularly the famous for romance anime, but as we have established our title, it follows the same plot in romance area, which is like the most popular school idol fall for him. So it's cute, lovely, and the girl slowly loses her ego for him. So it's wholesome for me in general. Then in our next one we got Rascal Doesn't Dream About Bunny Girl Senpai, which is like anime which story doesn't match the title, and I kind of have video for this anime explaining it in detail, so I will link it down below. If you want to check it out, you can check it. Other than that, in general and short, it is about some adolescence problem and a great romance story of an actress girl with an unpopular guy. Then in our next one we got 3D Kanajo, which is also called 3D Girlfriend. So basically in this anime we got our otaku, which kind of left out in school for being an otaku, but miracles do happen in anime. So the most popular girl from the school fall for him, and he actually got a girlfriend, not like a 2D waifu, a actual 3D girlfriend. Thus the name of anime 3D Girlfriend. Smart, right? Then in our 7th one we got another anime related to otaku. I mean, it's more fall into the gaming culture with the name of Gamers. I mean, its name is Gamers, where our main character is asked to be in a gaming club by the most cutest girl in the school as well as the most popular one, but as a man of culture he declines because he only wants to play games, fam, and doesn't want to get competitive. But fortunately for him, it strikes a love string in our girl's heart, and they eventually became more and more like couples in spite of some gaming interference, I guess. Then in our 8th one we got Witchcraft Oaks, which is like witchcraft stuff, magic, fantasy kind of thing, but as we have established in our title, we got our most popular girl in the school, kind of like princess of the school, fall for the most unpopular guy. So the basic story is we got our girl, which is the most popular one in the school, who fall for our main character for some witchcraft reasons as well, not particularly for looks, and just for being liked by the most popular girl in the school. We also get bullied, but over the course of story their relationship progresses. The witchcraft also invade that world, but they basically end up together with some surprise element of magic. Then in our 9th one we got actually a movie, fam. So keep in mind I have mentioned this movie a lot of time in this channel, but still it matches the title, so I can't stop myself. So its name is none other than I Want to Eat Your Pancreas, which is also listed in my list for anime with deceiving name. So if you have checked my video which I have recommended before, you might know this, but if you haven't, let me describe describe it for you. So basically, without spoiling, I can say that it's a beautifully placed story for an loner guy entering into a happy life with a sad past or a sad experience with a girl. And if you are looking for this title anime, I will strongly recommend this gem for you. It's a great anime, and after watching it, you will get some meaning in life as well. So please try it if you already haven't watched it. Then at last, in our 10th one, we get Origeru, which is like the absolute anime for this title. I mean, this title was made for this anime, man. It also has some harem element, but if you want to see a smart passive guy changing his way to help people and girls falling for this reason, you are definitely going to enjoy this anime. So please check it out. Okay, then that's it for this video, guys. But it's not an end for you. I mean, I also got another list for top 10 romance anime, which is flashing in your screen. And if you love romance anime, there are some great recommendations there. So please check it out. I'm sure you are going to find the one best suited for you in that list. So please watch this video. Then I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye. Peace out.